JavaScript Object Notation, JSON, is the name for a compact notation that can be applied to objects and arrays. We refer to this notation as JSON format. Modern browsers are familiar with the JSON object, which has static methods that you can use to convert an object that is in JSON format to a transportable string. In turn, you can create an object in JSON format from such a string. A transportable string can be processed not only by JavaScript, but also by other languages, which simplifies the transport of data between different applications. In this example, the program creates an object in JSON format and then converts it using the JSON object. In the JSON format, an object is enclosed in curly brackets, the individual property value pairs are separated by commas, the property and the value of a pair are separated by a colon, and the name of the property is placed in double quotation marks. This remains the same if the value is a string, but if it's a numerical value, it is noted without quotation marks. Decimal places are separated using a decimal point. In the program, the Dodge object, which is in JSON format, is converted into the transportable TX string using the stringify method of the JSON object. The reverse process follows. The TX string is converted into the Renault object using the parse method of the JSON object, which is then available in JSON format. The value of the speed property is recognized as a numerical value and can therefore also be included in a calculation. The output of the program looks as shown. Note that ECMAScript 2024 introduces the option of making objects in JSON format immutable using the pound character. Thanks to an intermediate step, the conversion methods of the JSON object are also available for the car class. The program converts the object of the custom car class into a transportable string using the stringify method of the JSON class. As an intermediate step, an object X in JSON format is created from the transportable string using the parse method. A new object of the car class is then created using the properties and values of object X. The output of the program also looks as shown. The JSON object also allows you to use arrays, as the following program shows. The program converts an array of strings, city, into the transportable TX string using the stringify method of the JSON object. Then, it creates an array of strings, city new, using the parse method of the JSON object. The output of the program is shown on the screen. The following program uses an array of objects that is available in JSON format. The transportable TX string is created using the stringify method of the JSON object, and the TX string is converted into a new array of objects in JSON format using the parse method of the JSON object. Here, too, the value of the speed property is recognized as a numerical value and can therefore be included in a calculation. The output of this part of the program is shown on the screen. This program uses an array of objects of the car class. The conversion methods of the JSON object are also available here, thanks to an intermediate step for the car class. The program converts the array of objects of the custom car class into a transportable string using the stringify method of the JSON class. Then, an empty array, CR_new, is created in the required size. As an intermediate step, an array of objects X in JSON format is generated from the transportable string. The new objects of the car class are then created using the properties and values of the elements of the X array and saved in the CR_new array. The output of the program also looks like the one shown. To learn more about IT, programming, administration, and more, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you never miss a new video.